warm water. I finished the warm water. And now I'm going to put aloe vera gel. 2 spoons of aloe vera gel. Let's start. Now we'll put body lotion and some face wash. Now I'm going to put coconut oil. Now I'm going to stir it. We are putting this rose water for smelling. Now we will put this liquid in this tissue paper. For that we need a container. Let's take the container. Here is the container. Now I'll dip the tissue paper wrapper. Now I'll put that in the container. Now see we will put this solution on the tissue paper. Let's start. Of 2 cups. Now we'll spread this because it has aloe vera gel in it. Aloe vera gel cannot be mixed, that's why. Now we'll put these all ingredients. Now we will wait for 15 minutes. That's why we will close the lid. Oh no, this is so big. I cannot close the lid on it. Yeah. Yes, the lid and close it. Come back. Now I tell you to wait for 15 minutes, but my wipes is only ready for 5 minutes. Now I am going to remove this medium lid. Now I am going to the smell is nice. Now my wet wipes are so many ready. Now please, do you like it or not like